3 quick tips for my best one-pan results. Number 1, par cooked rice for fluff. Number 2, rotisserie chicken for speed. And number 3, a bright Greek finish to bring it all to life. The rice is already cooked, so don't drown it. Tiny splash of broth or water, saute for a minute, then lay on for a minute or two, and it's fluffy, not mushy. Rotisserie chicken, small chunks, quick warm up, zero waiting. Heat off and a little yogurt, that's the Greek trick. Feta and olives optional. And here's why the order matters. Rice needs steam time, chicken doesn't. Add the chicken too early and it dries out. If the rice looks dry or not fluffy enough, add a small splash of broth and cover the pan for a minute or two. It will loosen right up. Rice varies, so adjust as needed. Everything stays in one pan, and not only it looks like, but it tastes like something you work way harder for it. So this is my lazy Greek chicken and rice version. If this made dinner easier, please like and subscribe and click on one of the video on the screen. I'll be back next week with another lazy dinner that I make and I enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until we meet again, stay healthy and take care and enjoy your chicken and Greek chicken and rice. I think this is the best I ever made.